Okay, so in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to use Open Web UI to get a similar experience to ChatGPT but on your local computer. So let's get started. So first you need to install Ollama. I've already made a separate tutorial on that. You can just go and check that out. Then you need to install a model that you want to use. I have installed Deepseek-r1, 14B and 7B. So the reason why you might want to use a lower model is when you might have a lower end PC to get a quicker response, but it won't be as good as the higher end version responses. Like 14B will give you a better answer compared to 7B. So after you have done installing Ollama and a model, then you need to install Python. The specific version you need to install is 3.11 to work with Open Web UI. And after installing Python, all you need to do is then go into some kind of file or folder, whichever directory you want basically, okay, and open up your terminal. After you open up your terminal, what you need to do to install the Open Web UI package using Python is type in the command pip, and pip is basically a package manager for Python, okay. So pip install Open Web UI, okay, then press enter. Okay, so Open Web UI has finished installing. Then to run Open Web UI on your computer locally, just type in the command open dash web UI space serve, then press enter. Okay, so now Ollama is running on localhost 8080. So you can minimize the terminal, okay, and then open up a new tab, go to localhost 8080, okay. Okay, so next, when you see this page, click on get started, enter your name, email and password. All of this, it is all stored locally on your computer, all of this information. So you can enter in anything, but I would recommend it being something you remember at least, so that next time you have to log back in, you would know your email and you would know the password. So name, the email, then the password, and then click create admin account. Now you'll be shown this page, and I'm just gonna click OK, let's go. Here it has automatically connected to my local LLM that is hosted on my computer using Ollama, okay. But if for some reason you don't see something like this, you can just open up the menu, go into settings, go into admin settings, okay, and then here you can see all of the models that you have. I have 2, and you can set up connections as well to OpenAI, for example, or any other like Google Gemini or something like that. You can add it here. You can connect to Ollama that is hosted on your computer using localhost 11434 if you are using this localhost URL, okay. So this is all here. And just in case you want to download any of the information that you have, you can do it using the JSON file, okay. You can import it and export a JSON file. Now back to the chat. Here I'll ask it a simple question, which is, let's say, give me some ideas about what to add into the home page of a food ordering business static site, okay. So let's enter this and see what we get back, okay. So you can choose which model you want to use from here. Okay, I have 2 installed, but I'm going to use this one because this uses less resources. Okay, so we have gotten our output. Let's see what it gave us. So here you can see the reasoning. Trying to help come up with enhancing their food ordering business homepage. Okay, understand who might visit the page. That's actually a good idea. I remember that a hero section is common in many websites. Good. That's a good thing to keep in mind. Then featured product section would show what they are offering. That's actually also a good thing to keep in mind. Next, new arrivals might be a good section. That one honestly depends, I would say, on the company, because you won't be giving out new things every single day or even every single month. Some companies just keep the same thing for even a year. So this is 50-50. Customers often want to know if they're eligible for discounts or loyalty programs. That's something you can add. So it's good, it's keeping it in mind, but I want to see what response it gives when it comes to this one. Ordering steps are crucial. Even though it's a static website, having an easy to follow guide on how to order can reduce friction. Most websites follow the same route, so I don't really think that one is necessary. Contact information is important too. A newsletter sign up could keep users engaged. Newsletter, I'm not so sure about that one. And about section, that is obvious. Testimonials, obvious. A special offer at the bottom of the page. Also include quick order tools or coupons if applicable. Okay, let's see what that one does. Okay. Did I cover all the bases? Let me think again. Hero, featured products, okay, new arrivals, discount, ordering steps, contact info, newsletter, about us, testimonial, special offer, extra links. That seems comprehensive. Maybe some sections can be optional based on the business specific needs. That's actually a good thing to keep in mind. Okay, so a hero section is saying order delicious meals online. That's very simple title. Subtitle, catchy message like your favorite dishes delivered fresh. Well, I didn't specify it's a fast food place, so this one depends. I guess it's good if the business does offer something fresh every single day, like it's not frozen stuff. So it's 50-50 in my opinion. So featured products showcase top offerings with images, brief description, and prices. I have seen featured products, so I'm 50-50 with this one. New arrival section. Okay, but again, this is a optional thing, I would say, because not every website adds something new every single month. So it's good it kept it in mind. Discounts and reward section. Again, 50-50 in this one. Ordering steps. This one's a 0 in my opinion. This one was not a thing to add. Contact information. Okay, that's fine, I guess. I think these are good results actually. Even if it is like the lower model, it gave me like a basic idea at least. So it's fine. With the higher models, you would actually get a better response, but obviously they then put a lot of stress on your PC. So it's up to you if you have a good PC. but consider including optional sections based on business needs, such as quick order tools or payment options explanation. Okay, yeah, the quick order is an optional one. Okay, so that's good that it's keeping it in mind. Okay, ensure design is clean, user friendly, and appealing to food lovers with appropriate colors and layout. Okay, so I think it's a good response. It's not bad. Obviously, the higher model you choose, the better the output is going to be, but it's fine. So this is how you can run this locally without spending any money. So it's a good choice if you have the resources, I would say. So I hope you like this tutorial. Like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.